Pros and cons of dark color doors for your house. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dark colored doors are making a stylish comeback in modern homes. But are they really the right choice for your space? In today's video, let's explore the pros and cons of using dark colored doors in your home design. Pros of dark colored doors. 1. Elegant and timeless look. Dark doors instantly add a touch of sophistication and luxury. Whether it's black, deep brown, or charcoal, these shades never go out of style. 2. Hides dirt and scratches. Unlike lighter shades, dark doors can better conceal fingerprints, stains, and minor scratches, making them easier to maintain visually. 3. Bold contrast. Dark doors can beautifully contrast with light-colored walls, creating a modern and dramatic effect that enhances your interiors. 4. Complements most decor styles. They blend well with both traditional and contemporary interiors, from wooden textures to minimalist themes. Cons of dark color doors. 1. Shows dust more easily. While they hide scratches, dark doors can highlight dust, especially in well-lit areas. You may need to clean them more often. 2. Can make spaces look smaller. In compact rooms or low-light areas, dark shades might make the space feel more enclosed or heavy. 3. Heat absorption. If your door is exposed to sunlight, darker colors can absorb more heat, which may affect the door's finish over time. 4. Harder to match with trim or flooring. Finding the perfect combination with your wall paint, trims, or flooring can be tricky with darker tones. Conclusion. So, dark-colored doors can add elegance and depth to your home, but they need the right lighting and surroundings to truly shine. If you're going for a cozy, modern, or bold look, they're a great choice. But if you prefer bright and airy spaces, you might want to stick with lighter tones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips along with house construction tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.